www stands for? Answer is World Wide Web. Which of the following are components of Central Processing Unit? Answer is Arithmetic Logic Unit, Control Unit. Which among following first generation of computer had? Answer is vacuum tubes and magnetic drums. Where is RAM located? Answer is motherboard. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as? Answer is multiprocessor. If a computer provides database service to others, then it will be known as? Answer is database server. Full form of URL is? Answer is Uniform Resource Locator. In which of the following from data is stored in computer? Answer is binary. Technology used to provide internet by transmitting data over wires of telephone network is? Answer is DSL. Which level language is assembly language? Answer is low level programming language. Documents, movies, images and photographs etc. are stored at a? Answer is file server. Which of following is used in RAM? Answer is semiconductor. What is full form of GUI in terms of computers? Answer is graphical user interface. What is full form of ALU? Answer is Arithmetic Logic Unit. Who was the found tooth? Answer is Edison. Who was the father of internet? Answer is Vint Cerf. Verification is process of? Answer is authentication. What is Linux? Answer is operating system. What is the name of first supercomputer of India? Answer is Param 8000. Which is most common language used in web designing? Answer is HTML. Who is also known as father of computer? Answer is Charles Babbage. Which among the following is commonly used language in Android application? Answer is where are saved files stored in computer? Answer is hard disk. Which among following is odd? Answer is BIOS. Which operations are performed by RAM? Answer is read and write. Which among the following is secondary storage device? Answer is hard disk. USB is which type of storage device? Answer is territory. Which program is run by BIOS to check hardware components are working properly while computer is turned on? Answer is POST. ROM is known volatile? Answer is true. Random access memory is which storage of device? Answer is primary. Random access memory is non-volatile in nature. Answer is false. What is full form CMOS? Answer is complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Second generation of computers consists of which of the following? Answer is transistors. MPG is an file extension of which type of files? Answer is video. What is full form of SMPS? Answer is switch mode power supply. Which component of computer is also considered as its heart? Answer is microprocessor. What is used to make computer chips? Answer is silicon. Where BIOS is stored? Answer is flash memory chip. What is full form of EXIF? Answer is exchangeable image file format. BIOS is used for? Answer is loading operating system. 1 megabyte is equal to? Answer is 1024 kilobytes. An electronic path that sends signals from one part of computer to another is? Answer is BUS. Which is odd one? Answer is CRT. Which device among the following is used for sending digital data over a phone line? Answer is modem. IP address version 4 is in which format? Answer is 32-bit. In banking, railways, etc., which computers are used? Answer is mainframe. Which type of software is an operating system? Answer is system software. Which type of switching is used in internet? Answer is packet. Microsoft Office is type of? Answer is application software. Intersection of columns and row is called a? Answer is cell. A wireless technology built in electronic gadgets used for exchanging data over short distance is? Answer is Bluetooth. ARP stands for? Answer is Address Resolution Protocol. Which is responsible for communication between memory and ALU? Answer is control unit. Who is also known as father of jQuery? Answer is John Raisy. If CPU executes multiple programs simultaneously, it will be known as? Answer is multitasking. Who invented C++? Answer is Bajren Strostrup. 1 byte is equal to how many bits? Answer is 8 bits. What is meaning of OSI in terms of computer? Answer is open system interconnection. 1 nibble is equal to how many bits? Answer is 4 bits. ULSI microprocessor is used in which generation of computer? Answer is 5th generation. Who invented keyboard? Answer is Christopher Latham Scholes. What is the meaning of EEPROM? Answer is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. What is meaning of OMR? Answer is optical mark reader. What can be considered as basic building blocks of a digital circuit? Answer is logic gate. Which function key is used to check spellings? Answer is F7. Which type of storage device is a BIOS? Answer is primary. Which is a application software among the following? Answer is Microsoft Office. In computer, who converts AC to DC? Answer is SMPS. Which among the following is responsible for specifying address of a memory location? Answer is address bus. Which among the following is responsible for finding and loading operating system into RAM? Answer is bootstrap loader. By pressing which key we can move to beginning of a page? Answer is home key. What is the full form of RAM? Answer is random access memory. What is the full form of TIFF? Answer is text image file format. Computer resolution measures. Answer is numbers of pixels. Which are the main parts of central processing unit? Answer is control unit and arithmetic logic unit. From which year 5th generation of computer is considered? Answer is 1980. What is the full form of CAM? Answer is computer aided manufacturing. Which term is related to database? Answer is Oracle. Which among the following is engine of computer? Answer is processor. Which language was used as first generation language? Answer is machine language. Where is cache memory is located? Answer is CPU.